Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to calculate mean of grouped frequency distribution by step deviation method. Here the example of that. Here the class interval and frequency is given that 10 to 25 for that particular class frequency is 2, 25 to 40 for that class frequency is 3, 40 to 55 the frequency is 7, 55 to 70 frequency is 6, 70 to 85 the frequency is 6, and 85 to 100 the frequency is 6. This data is grouped frequency distribution. By these data we have to find mean by step deviation method. First of all, let us check the given groups are continuous or not. First group is 10 to 25. Here 10 is lower limit and 25 is upper limit. In next group 25 is a lower limit and 40 is upper limit. Here the upper limit of the first class and lower limit of the next class must be same, then we can say the groups are continuous. Here the upper limit is 25 and lower limit is 25, therefore the given groups are same. Again here the upper limit is 40 and in next class lower limit is 40, therefore in the given example the groups are continuous. Therefore the given data is of grouped frequency distribution in which groups are continuous. Therefore by this formula x bar equals to a plus sum of fi into ui divided by sum of fi and multiply by h. By this formula we can find the mean. Here a is assumed mean, fi means frequency, ui means deviation, and h is the class width. Let us see. Here class intervals are given, that is 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, and 85 to 100. These are the class. Then frequency is also given, that is denoted by letter fi, that is 2, 3, 7, 6, 6 and again 6, that is the frequency. First we have to find sum of fi, that means we have to add all the frequencies, that is 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is sum of fi equals to, after addition of all these frequencies we will get 30, therefore sum of fi equals to 30. Then we have to find deviation, that is ui. For that first we have to find xi, that means mid values. Here 10 to 25 is first group, that is lower limit of the class, and 25 is the upper limit of the class. By the formula for finding the mid values is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is 10 plus 25 divided by 2, that is 17.5. Next 25 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 32.5. Next 40 plus 55 divided by 2 is 47.5. Next 55 plus 70 divided by 2 is 62.5. Next 70 plus 85 divided by 2 is 77.5. Next 85 plus 100 divided by 2 is 92.5. By this way we can find the values of xi. Then we have to find ui. By this formula ui equals to xi minus a divided by h. Here we have find xi, the values of xi are these. Then we have to find a and h. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values of xi. In that 47.5 and 62.5 are the mid values of xi. Therefore we can get a as 47.5 or 62.5. We can take a as 47.5 and h is a class width, that is 10 to 25, that is the first class. The formula for finding class width is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 25 minus 10, that is 15, or 40 minus 25, that is 15. Here xi equals to this one, a is 47.5 and h is class width, that is 15. We'll put all these value in that formula, will get respective deviation, that is ui. Here 17.5 minus 47.5 divided by h is 15, will get ui is equals to minus 2. Next value xi 32.5 minus a is 47.5 divided by h is 15 equals to minus 1. Next xi 47.5 minus a is 47.5 divided by h is 15, that is equals to 0. Next xi 62.5 minus 47.5 divided by 15 is 1. Next 77.5 minus a is 47.5 divided by h is 15, that is equals to 2. And last value is 92.5 minus a means 47.5 divided by h mean 15, that is equals to 3. These are the values of ui. Then we have to find fi into ui. That means we have to multiply fi and ui, that is 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4. Next value 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 3. 7 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. And 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. Then we have to find addition of all these fi ui, means we have to add minus 4, minus 3, 0, 6, 12 and 18. Therefore sum of fi into ui is 29. Then we have to put all these values in that formula. Here a is equals to 47.5 plus sum of fi ui is 29, sum of fi is 30, multiply by h, we have already find the class width 25 minus 10, that is 15. We'll put all these value in that, will get a equals to 47.5 plus sum of fi ui 29 divided by sum of fi 30 multiplied by h, that is 15. Will get 47.5 as it is by this calculation, plus will get 29 divided by 30 multiplied by 15 is 14.5. Therefore x bar equals to 47.5 plus 14.5 is 62. Therefore by this method we can find mean if the groups are given, the data is given is of the type grouped frequency distribution. We can find by this way mean by step deviation method. Hope that you will understand how to calculate mean by this method and you will like this video. Thank you.